Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing an unboxing for a Father's Day box that I ordered for my husband from Allfrom1supplier. Now this box is a custom box because I selected the items that I wanted in this box for my husband. But I'm going to open the box, but I also want to let you guys know that they also have two specials going on right now. They have the TNT box and the Georgetown box. In the TNT box you get 6 doubles, 2 solo, 2 coconut water, 2 bus-up shot, 2 Dhalpuri, and 1 pack of caramel which contains 4 pieces for $45, and this is inclusive of shipping throughout the United States. The other box, which is the Georgetown Father's Day box, is also $45 and it contains 3 pine tarts, 3 Chinese cakes, 2 Solara, 3 cheese rolls, 2 coconut water, 2 icy, 1 bottle of chana, 1 pack of caramel, and 1 bottle peanuts. And it's all for $45 inclusive of shipping throughout the United States. Now I know a lot of you all have been asking me about shipping to Canada, and you can reach out to the company and ask them if they would ship to Canada, but right now shipping is only free for the United States. So let me jump into my box so I can share with you all what is in my box, because as I said, I made my box a custom box. So the first thing we have in the box, I did 2 solo. We love our solo. Next we have a bottle of split chana. Next I did a bottle of salted peanuts. I also did the caramel. As I said, it's 4 pieces in here. In this packet we have the 2 Dhalpuri. Next we have 2 bus-up shot. The other item is 6 doubles, and this one is from Trini Delight. So look how properly packaged everything is, guys, and it does come with the chana and it's still frozen, and the doubles sauce. So this one is a tamarind and mango mixed, I like that, sauce. So I believe I had this tamarind sauce already with the mango in it, and it was really delicious. So guys, I have on my phone here just a few notes that I took down that I wanted to share with you all. Allfrom1supplier is an online platform which is offering all West Indian items with free shipping throughout the United States. In addition to all dry goods such as all curry powders, all spices, all pepper sauces, all fresh produce, and all sweets. Allfrom1supplier.com also offers the following preset boxes: the Father's Day gift boxes, which I just touched on, the doubles Dhalpuri Roti bus-up shot boxes, the meat and fish boxes, the pastry boxes, and much more. They have other monthly subscription boxes. You can get 12 doubles and 2 solos for $36. Everything is shipping included. 12 doubles, 3 bus-up shot, 3 Dhalpuri, $50. 12 doubles, 6 bus-up shot, or 12 doubles and 6 Dhalpuri for $50. You can get 12 doubles, 6 bus-up shot, or 6 Dhalpuri for $70. And then they also have other boxes like the Tasty TNT, which contains 2 currants roll, 2 coconut rolls, 2 sugar cake, 2 coconut drops, 2 gulab jamun, 2 fudge, and 2 kurma. The next one is the Tasty Guyana, which is 3 Solara, 3 pine tarts, 3 cheesecake, 2 matai, 3 cheese rolls, 3 coconut drops, 2 Guyana fudge. And the last one we have here is the Sweet Caribbean, which is a 2-pack caramel, so that's 8 pieces in total, 2 salve, 2 zumas, 5 chocolate digestives, 3 catch, and those are the big catch, 4 tiki, which are also the big tikis, 2 Bigfoot, and 2 Knuckle. And that one, the first 2 boxes are $30, and this Sweet Caribbean box is $35. So a difference of $5 when you do the Tasty Caribbean, which is a mixed box. So if you guys are interested in ordering from Allfrom1supplier, this is their website, www.allfrom1supplier.com. So guys, with my order, I have my Dhalpuri and I have my Paratha. But guess what? We're missing something, right? We're missing a curry to accompany these delicious rotis. So what I did was I ordered one duck from them. When it comes, I'm going to clean it and I'm going to show you guys, and you guys are going to join me as I cook this curry duck for my husband for Father's Day. So guys, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to open up the packages with the Dhalpuri, the bus-up shot, and the doubles, and I want you guys to see what it looks like, because I know you're going to be like, we can't see it in the package, right? So I'm going to open up these packages and I want you guys to see what they look like. So give me just 1 second and I'll be right back. So guys, I put together one of the doubles so that you guys can see the bar is nice and soft. It smells really, really delicious. I put my own pepper sauce on there. I'm gonna give it a taste and I'll tell you guys. I love the doubles. I've had it already. I love the chutney that comes with it. It's really delicious. Wow. It tastes really, really good. Really, really delicious. If you guys are missing doubles from back home, you guys have to order this. The next item is the bus-up shot that I reheated, because I want you guys to see. Look how soft and how silky this roti is. So perfect. And I have the Dhalpuri here, which is a nice big Dhalpuri. Guys, look how big this Dhalpuri skin is. Nice soft roti also. So you guys get to see it. The Dhalpuri, the bus-up shot, and this tasty, amazing, delicious doubles. So I'll leave their information in the description box. Click on their links. Go follow them on Instagram. Follow them on Facebook. So you will be notified every time they have a special. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy my doubles and I'll see you guys for my next video. Bye everyone.